Hello everyone, it's Maria, one of the team members of UCAnFly. UCAnFly is a group of students, professors and researchers of our University of Cádiz in the south of Spain. We are currently participating in the third edition of the nanosatellite program within the ESA Academy, which is part of the European Space Agency. We are developing a one-unit nanosatellite, which main purpose is to characterize the magnetic noise of a chip-scale sensor down to the 0.1 MHz frequency. Today we are here in our laboratory in this laminar flow cabinet because finally two of our COTS components have arrived. Here we have the antenna and the structure from EnduroSat, and we are very excited because we are going to do with you the unboxing of both products. Since we are working with the flight models, we have to ensure we have a certain environment of temperature and humidity. Here in the lab we have 26 degrees of temperature and 50% of humidity. Here we have the packaging. Inside we have the antenna, the structure. So let's start by opening the box. So here we have the antenna. I suppose this is the structure and the rails and the legs and so on. So we are going to take all of these components and see what's inside. So here we have two types of screws, two types of spacers, kill switches, and the bars. One of these will contain the top frame and the bottom frame and the four legs of the structure. So we can start by opening these two bags here. Okay, so let's see what's in here. We have to be very careful because this is a very delicate component. We don't want to damage it or anything. These are the top and bottom frames of the structure. Here we can see they are both hard anodized, but as we can see in some little parts, it is not hard anodized. Also in the threads and holes we can see also that it is not anodized. I guess it is for the mounting. Here also it is not hard anodized, these parts. We are going to open these bags now, which contain the legs of the structure. And now let's take legs from inside. Okay. We can also see that these legs are hard anodized, but also, as in the frames, there are some parts that are not. We're going to put this here. Okay, so now we are going to make sure all the components are here. Here we have the two types of screws for the structure, the separation springs and kill switches, both frames, the four legs, the two types of spacers, and the bars.
So continuing with the second part of the unboxing, we have the antenna. This is one of the most critical subsystems, and in space communication are not always optimal and we can expect some troubles. We will leave that behind. We have also the remove before flight pin, which will be used later on, and we have also an USB that I think has the user manual and instruction. Okay, is carefully stored in a Ziploc bag. Okay, and here we have it. We can see one connector here, the other one is hide inside this hole. This is the coaxial connector. It will be used for communicating the antenna with the transceiver of the satellite, and the other one is a piccolo from Molex, and have the basis for the power supply, I2C communication with onboard computer, and also two GPOs. We cannot see any of the burning resistors, neither the melt lines, since they are under the PCB, but we can clearly see that the antenna is also hard anodized on the side. We cannot see right now the rods because they are not deployed, but these are from a shape memory alloy. So when they are full deployed, we can expect a straight line. Yeah, we can see here a line. I don't know if this can be seen clearly in the video, but we have a scratch. I think not very deep, but clearly noticeable with light. We can see here the four mounting holes that are used for assembling the antenna in the structure. Here there is a connection for a jumper. This jumper will be used later for testing to make sure that the antenna works without needing to do the full deployment.
So guys, this is all from our side. We hope you've been able to see every little detail we wanted to show you, all the parts, both of the structure and the antenna. Please, if you have any kind of question, any kind of suggestion, any kind of curiosity about our project, about the manufacturers, about the products, please feel free to ask in the comments or even in our social media. We will leave in our accounts in the box down below. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you've enjoyed a lot.